Wednesday, February 5th, and Dad and Aidan have got all the windows taped off, likely for painting here soon, so we'll check in and see what these guys are up to today. So, like I just mentioned, they got everything taped off, and it's all protected here so that when they do the painting, it's going to be good to go. And all the windows are in. I think Peter even found that replacement window there, so that one wasn't fitted correctly. Looks like these guys were working on the engine again. They got the one battery in place now for sure. And it's still pretty dusty in here, but they're gonna have to blow all this stuff out here. But they did get the front cleaned out, and looks like they got the springs installed too on the exhaust pipes. There's another spring down there, and they did some more taping and papering off there, so must be painting on that side. And yeah, so all the wiring is probably already done underneath there, and they've got quite a bit of this cleaned up. And the little dog is just busy chasing Dad around the shop, and Charles is just having his mid-afternoon milk bones here. And see what else is going on. So they got this taped off, so likely for painting again, and also make sure no dust gets in there. Second battery's in place, so there wasn't one there yesterday, and it looks like distributor cables have been put in place as well. Nice and identifiable, but let's maybe check in with Dad, and he has some other information. So what's going on today? What happened here? I can see some progress.
Okay, the switches are on both sides. Both batteries are in, locked down. So
Okay.
you can't move on both sides. All the windows are taped, and we got a little bit of sanding to do, and then we're going to find.
Okay.
It's actually ready to start,
Oh,
and we had hoped to get the drive shaft in today, but Peter got the wrong U-joint,
okay.
so we're supposed to have one in the morning.
Okay.
And,
So it's cut to fit. It's gonna fit.
yeah,
Okay.
and the throttle linkage is all hooked up here already.
Okay. I see that you got new distributor cables in there too. The blue ones.
Yeah, plug wires.
Plug wires. I mean. Yep.
So I got the vacuum hose to hook up yet,
Okay.
but I don't want to start any more today because then I don't know where the hell I left off. So we're going to take the 4 out tomorrow and get the power steering hooked up,
Okay.
power wise.
Yeah.
Everything is full of oil, and then get the brake hooked up. And this is the cable for the throttle.
Okay. Is it the right cable?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. Well, I got a surprise in the vehicle for you. I got to bring in, and you can open up your present and you can tell me what you think. I'll be right back. So I got a present here for Dad. It's just coming in the mail, and he can open it up, and he's going to see his if he likes this or not. So when you're building a Bombardier and you're building it for the way Dad likes it, you got to really look for certain parts, and things are just hard to find these days. And I resorted to eBay to find what I just got here for Dad. So
Oh shit, this must have been packed in China. These guys know what wrap is.
yeah.
Oh, a shifter.
Yeah.
Holy Moses.
Okay. Is that what you wanted?
Oh, it's nice. And all the parts are there.
Yeah, so clean it up a little bit. It looks a little rough in some places, but I'm sure you'll figure it out.
You usually lose these,
Yeah.
and then those are special screws in there,
Okay.
and chrome is on both sides.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why don't you guys show the boys the face of it? So that's what Dad uses. Now these are called. These come out of 1964 to 1969 Dodge truck camper vans. They're dash-mounted gear shifters, and this is what Dad likes. The problem is it's a two-piece unit. It's the dash-mounted gear shifter, and it's the gear shifting cable, which is almost next to impossible to find. However, Dad had Peter go and find one or get one made up. So, anyways, we got this into stock here, so he's got a spare now. And I think the model number is called A100. So it's a 64 to 69 A100 Dodge truck camper van dash mounted gear shifter. So
The light goes in there, and I have lots of them.
oh, good. Okay.
So when you put your headlights on at nighttime, that's lit up and it shows green, eh? Or blue.
Perfect.
Very
Okay.
nice.
So happy February 5th.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Put that away
just
and
past Christmas.
yeah. So what is it, Charlie? Hey? You were just barking at me. What is it? Is it Nina was on the couch? Nina was on the couch. Okay. Come on, let's get you on your couch.